Hi, I am Rudraksh Sharma from class 8D. Today I will explain the topic bacteria from the chapter microorganism. So first we need to understand what are microorganism. Micro means small and organism means living beings. Microorganism can only be seen under a compound microscope. Microorganisms are found almost everywhere. There are major 5 groups of microorganisms: fungi, algae, protozoa, bacteria, viruses. Here I will explain bacteria. Bacteria is a plant-like unicellular prokaryotic microorganism. Plant-like because it has cell wall. It is a prokaryote because it does not have a well-developed nucleus. The region is known as nucleoid. For the locomotion, it has flagellum. The bacteria are autotrophs. The bacteria are autotrophs. They can make their own food by the process of chemosynthesis, and other bacteria are heterotroph. They can be anaerobic or maybe anaerobic. On the basis of the shape, bacteria are classified as corky, spherical shaped, example Streptococcus, bacilli, rod shaped, example Lactobacillus, spirala, spiral shaped, example Vibrio chlorella. Now we will see how the bacteria reproduce. The bacteria reproduce by the process of binary fission. In binary fission, first the nucleus and the cytoplasm divides into two, then the cell wall also divides into two, and it forms two identical individual cells, and hence the bacteria divides into two. Now we will discuss some uses of bacteria. Bacteria is used in leather and jute industries. Bacteria is used to make cheese, yogurt and curd. Bacterium lactobacillus converts milk into curd. The process is known as curdling. The pathogenic bacteria are used to make vaccine to immune the humans. The bacteria is used to make the vaccines to cure the microbial diseases. The bacterium Rhizobium, which is present in the root nodules of the leguminous plants, which convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate for the plants. The bacteria are also used to make the dough of the idli, dosa, etc. Now we will discuss some harmful effects of bacteria. Bacteria can cause diseases in plants, animals and humans. It causes anthrax in cattle, blight of rice in plants. It can also cause TB, chlorella and typhoid in humans. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.